So this is one thing I don't understand. This is my JBL Flip 4 speaker, and after half a year of usage, my battery died. I went through some websites. Apparently, a lot of people have a problem with this battery, so I bought a replacement battery to, change it. Same battery, take a couple of screws off. This is the cover of the speaker. That's it. You take the couple of screws off. As you can see here, you take the frame off, then you take the top off, and that's it. You have a hatch, you access the battery. I pulled the battery once with a piece of pliers. It tore off and it started actually smoking because it's a lithium-ion battery, so it's highly flammable. The reason for this is that they actually put glue in the battery socket so that the battery would stick. I have no idea which idiot came up with this design, but my god. So technically there is no safe way I can remove this right now, and the entire battery, the compound, is actually stuck. The battery is good, the acid didn't come out. It's just literally they put glue into the socket so that you cannot take the battery out. I'm not really sure if this is a marketing strategy or why this is done for, but this is absolutely plain ridiculous. So if you're thinking about buying a JBL Flip 4 speaker and probably the rest of the pack, keep in mind that replacing the battery is almost impossible. I actually heard a couple of pieces of advice that say, take the corkscrew and put it in and pull it out. I mean, come on, really? Seriously? Corkscrewing a lithium-ion battery? Anyway, hope this piece of information helps somebody. So, yeah. Take care, guys.